Hi traders, in today's video I will talk about what is the most important element of any EA, of any trading robot, in other words. And as you see, I am relaxing because relaxing your mind is really just add to your trading profitability. And if you have the mind of a stressed out, human being who is just running around all day and doesn't know what he or she wants in life, and just is a complete mess, your trading will reflect it, and your trading will be a mess too, and you will make just bad decisions that are not profitable, and you will take your trade and close it just way too early and jump into positions at just the worst place. So be prepared, be focused, and be relaxed in trading. Now, what is the most important element of any expert advisor, of any trading robot? And in this video I won't even mention stop loss and take profit. Mostly stop loss. I want to mention stop loss just in this sentence because if you watch my videos, I say stop loss that many times that if you would always drink when I say stop loss, you would be just drunk all the fucking time when you watch my videos, and it is not my intention to make you a drunk person. So the most important thing is, if you believe it or not, listen carefully, the dynamic exit. And you are lucky because I didn't say that it is your personality, it is your psychology. I know that you don't like those words, you want technical stuff. Of course, psychology and your personality is a huge part of your trading, but if you are using an expert advisor, it is another thing, because you just have to trust the expert advisor, and if you just let it run, it will work. But in manual trading, I will say, yeah, it is a psychology and personality, because if you don't enter the markets in a normal, in a way that is just realistic, and you don't exit the market at a good point, you will lose. And if you can't follow your own rules, you will lose, and it is much harder to follow your own rules in manual trading than in EA trading. So with EA trading, it is much easier to follow the rules, because basically you trust an expert advisor and you let it trade. And so this way, here psychology doesn't matter if you if you just let the expert advisor run. And here, from the technical aspects of trading and of an expert advisor, the dynamic exit is the number one key element. And I think most of you thought that, yeah, it is the entry strategy, it is the entry signal. No, it is the dynamic exit. Why? Because there is a recession right now, and in a recession you can enter the market at a seemingly perfect way and a perfect point, and the market will just say, fuck you, I will go in the opposite direction for a month. So it is just not that profitable to care about just the entry signal all the time and focus on just the entry signal and ignore the exit strategy. In a recession, you have to care about the exit strategy more than with entry strategy. And if you can test your strategies in an automated way and backtest them or forward test them, you will actually see that you can have an entry strategy, like a pretty bad entry strategy, and if you take the time and just create a great exit strategy, you can actually make your EA or make your strategy profitable. And if you just care all about the entry signal and just perfect point, and don't care about really, the exit. What is that? Exit? I exit when I want. No, that won't be profitable, because statistically, of course, you will have the best entry points, but that doesn't mean that you will make the most pips, or when you are right, you will be really right, because that was what matters. Not where you enter the market, but if you are right, you are very right, because most profitable hedge funds and traders are profitable like 40% of the time. So basically from 10 trades you have like 4 profitable trades and 6 losing trades. Completely normal, but here's the point. Your 4 profitable trades on average are 3 times larger than each losing trade. So one profitable trade is 3 times larger than one losing trade. That way you have 6 trades, that is 6 points or $6. Your win rate is only 40%. What is that, man? What are you talking about? But your profitable trades are 3 times. So you have $12 or 12 points, and that is 6 points more than if you would have the same amount of profit when you are winning as when you are losing. So win rate doesn't matter. What matters is that how much you are right when you are right. And this is what people don't understand at all. And this is what I just want people to understand. It is how casinos win. It is how profitable traders win money. It is not how much time you are right. It is not that you have a 90% win rate. Yeah, that is really awesome. 90% win rate. But believe me, if you have 90% win rate, it only means that you won 9 times. Statistically, that 9 times won't be larger each than the one losing trade. In fact, most of the time you will win 9 times, like 1 point, and you will lose 1 time, from 10 trades. And that one trade will be like 20 points. So at the end of the day, you will lose. So don't care about the win rate, because that will blow your account. Care about the exit strategy if you are coding an EA. And believe me, if you will backtest them and forward test them and do all the necessary steps to see if they are working, you will see that the strategy that was developed with the best exit strategy will be the winner in long term, and in short term, in the recession period that we are heading towards and we are kind of in right now, that strategy will win. And then you will think about all your other old strategies. That's what I did. I was thinking about them and I realized, man, they were not that good in terms of exit strategies. And then I added my new, very developed exit strategies, and that was the key. I realized that the entry strategies were they were pretty good already, but the lack of the exit strategy, there's no point in it. It is like jumping out of a helicopter without a parachute. You know, it's what is your exit strategy. You can have the nicest helicopter, but if you can't like land, why would you have the best fucking helicopter? So when you are doing your mathematics, your probability theory calculations on your strategy, please believe me and calculate the best exit strategy to your equations, and you will see how much better it works. And it is a human thing that we are care about the exit strategy all the time and don't care about what exit. Who cares? But in trading, you can't have that luxury. In life, you know, I am not a life coach, so we are care about trading, and that's what we do. I hope this video was useful for you, and you will just tweak your strategies a little bit and think about what are a good exit strategy to an EA. And I hope it was an eye-opener. If you want videos in this topic, like more videos, just leave a like, watch this video, and I will see in the numbers statistically you want to see more of these videos, and I will make more of these videos. This easy. Ciao.